So we just got to Puerto Rico, guys, and we finally got our car. This is my mom. We're trying to figure out where we're going in Puerto Rico because obviously we don't know what's going on. But it is really nice. I can see some mountains, some beautiful trees. It looks like it's gonna rain today, but it's okay. But yeah, we're excited. We're hungry. I'm starving. Oh my god, I need a taco. Beautiful. This is exactly what I needed. Green. This is that? So right now we're walking down the strip in Loquilo. Just a little place where you get like a bunch of food. There's like some shops. It's only 7, but there's not a lot of people outside. My mom's snapper. Hello everybody. We are now on day 2 of Puerto Rico. We're just getting ready now to head over to the Yonke Rainforest. So we'll be there, and this is what I'm wearing. I just have my bathing suit on, and then I have some overalls. I don't know if you guys can see. So we're just trying to get ready for that, and then we'll be heading out pretty soon. So we're on our way to the rainforest now. Just got ready. We're gonna try to find our way. Are you hungry? You wanna eat something?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get some breakfast. It's 11:30 right now.
We're going.
Yeah, that way. There she is. She made it up there. More power to her. Looks like Tarzana. So we're walking through the rainforest now. Yonke is its name, but we're walking to La Mina waterfall where we can go swimming, and I'm very excited. We finally get to see a waterfall and get to be inside of it. So it's so beautiful. Oh my god. You guys can see. I'm just walking barefoot because these sneakers do not grip anything. And I almost fell, so I made the executive decision to walk barefoot. But it's all good. It's all natural. Here's my mom. How you doing?
Okay. I'm making it.
We're almost there. You can hear it. It's getting louder now. So we just left the waterfall. I just got in there and I actually jumped off of the little ledge. I don't know if you guys, there's like a little ledge over there that I jumped down into the water. It was really fun. Now, are we going back to the house? You want to go back to the house? Oh yeah, I forgot my wallet at the house, so we have to go back and then, I don't know. I need to get cleaned off, do my hair over. See that? All that right there going on. So yeah, we'll check back with you. La Mina was amazing. Now we have to walk this whole mile.
I know.
I'm getting hungry now.
Yeah. That water. That's all it takes. It's a little bit of water.
I know. I wonder. I guess it's because you're using your whole body. So
It's like draining.
it gets you. Yeah. That was really nice though.
Yes.
I smell very fresh.
Just feel all smooth